In these problems, we're doing some basic operations with matrices. So this box here is a matrix. The plural is matrices. And just as a review, we refer to the different numbers lined up in the matrix by column and row. So columns go up and down, rows go across. So this would be first row, first column would be a 7. That's the element at that position in the matrix. Now what we're doing here is multiplying a matrix by some number. Sometimes that's called a scale factor or a scalar. And all you really have to do is multiply that number by each number in the matrix and then make the new matrix. So negative 5 times 7 would be 35, and negative 35. And that goes in the same position of the 7. So first row, first column. Negative 5 times negative 6 would be a positive 30. Negative 5 times 2 would be negative 10, and negative 5 times negative 1 would be a positive 5. And that's all there is to it. That's this matrix times a negative 5. Here's a slightly more complicated one. We're given two matrices. A is this guy and B is this guy. And they want us to find negative 4a plus 3b. So we're going to multiply these matrices by those numbers first, and then we're going to add the matrices together. So let's do the multiplication for, we want negative 4 times a. So our new matrix after we do negative 4 times a is going to be negative 4 times negative 4, that's positive 16. Negative 4 times negative 9 is positive 36. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. And negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. So that's negative 4a. And now plus 3 times b. Here's b, so 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. 3 times 5 is 15. And 3 times 2 is 6. Now we have our multiplication done. We simply need to add them. And remember, when you add two matrices, you simply add each of the elements that are in the same places. So a 16 is in the first column, first row. We're going to add that to the 24 to get our new first column, first row number. So 16 plus 24 should be 40. And then 36 plus a negative 15, that's 36 minus 15, that's going to be 21. Negative 8 plus 15 is a positive 7. And this is a negative 4. Negative 4 plus 6 is a positive 2. So there's our final answer of negative 4a plus 3b. So that's a little bit about multiplying and adding matrices.